Rich and chocolatey, these no-bake date truffles are the perfect healthy dessert option. They are very, very easy to make and require no baking whatsoever. This recipe can be customized to use whatever nuts you'd like, so let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is soaking my dates. These dates are a bit hard, so I'm going to be soaking them in hot water for about 5 minutes. If your dates are super soft like medjool dates, you do not have to do this step. The full written recipe will be available in the description box below, so make sure to click the link to check that out, and you'll find there lots of tips and tricks and step-by-step instructions. Once the dates are soaked, I'm going to drain it and then go ahead and put this into a blender and blend it into a smooth paste. For those of you who are going into Ramadan soon, this is perfect to open your fast with as well. Once you've blended up the dates, we're going to add in the remaining ingredients. First, I'm adding in a cup of walnuts. You can also use any other type of nuts, some pumpkin seeds, some poppy seeds, and some cocoa powder. Adding a bit of cocoa powder really makes these date truffles super chocolatey. Now I'm going to blend this one more time until all the ingredients are fully incorporated. Transfer this mixture into a bowl, and now we're going to roll this out into small little balls. A very helpful tip here is to oil your hands before you start so that the mixture does not stick to your hands. Take about half a tablespoon of the mixture and roll it out into smooth balls, and repeat this step until you've used up all of your date mixture. Now you can eat these as is, or you can add some coating on top, and here are the options. You can use some melted chocolate, some cocoa powder, shredded coconuts, or even finely chopped nuts. First, I'm going to be coating a few of them in melted dark chocolate and then topping that off with some flaky sea salt. You also want to allow the chocolate to set completely once you've coated them. This has to be my most favorite way of coating these date truffles. The dark chocolate goes so well with the dates, and the flaky sea salt just tops everything off. It does require a bit of more work than the other options, but the end result is totally worth it. For the shredded coconut, we're just going to roll the date truffles in the shredded coconut like so, and that's it. For the cocoa powder, it's the exact same way, but instead of putting your hands inside, just shake the bowl. This helps coat them very evenly, and you don't get cocoa powder all over your hands as well. And that's it. Your delicious date truffles are ready to go. These are one of the most amazing things I have tried. They are packed with nutrients and minerals, and they also taste good. I mean, a healthy dessert that actually tastes good. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the Food Flamingo for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it, and comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. And as always, thanks for watching.